Want to know how to add MP4 files to your Audacity? So if you want to add MP4 files as an MP3 in Audacity, it's super simple. So it's right in the minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application and you need to install FFmpeg first. So just simply open up your browser and then select FFmpeg and sort of for it. Now just simply click the first link right here that says ffmpeg.org. And now just simply select download right here, and once that is done, there should be an installation file coming up. You can just simply install it and make sure you restart your Audacity application. We have also created a detailed video on how to install FFmpeg, so make sure to watch it. Now once you're done that, just simply head towards file, select import audio, and you can just simply import any MP4 file that you like. Now once you have done that, here you can see our MP4 file has been converted to MP3 and now can be edited. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.